Hi, my dear. So I understand that you don't like the repairs. So you are not in the mood of talking with anybody. Come here. Don't worry, it's clean enough. It's only they're just repairing the walls. Repairing the walls, so what? Repairing the whole flat? So you're versus the repairs. You're versus the repairs? Come on. It's not so bad after all. You know, I know. You like clean flats, you like well done, fashionable, stylish flats. I know, you're just like that. A very special cat. I know you like good design, but you have to be patient. The electrician has just removed everything unnecessary and starts doing his work. So you have to be patient, you have to wait until he finishes, until everybody else. I don't know the professions of other builders. They have also to participate. And renew the flat, walls and everything, you know? I have no idea about the repair. You know more about design than me.